1963, a year that would forever be etched in the annals of American history. While the nation was still reeling from the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, a series of shocking revelations were about to emerge from the quiet corners of Georgia. This is the story of an investigation that started with a simple question: what were those mysterious Georgia guinea pig farms? But as we dug deeper into the heart of this mystery, we uncovered a web of secretive human experimentation during the height of the Cold War era, leaving us with more questions than answers. The story begins in rural Georgia, where, in the 1960s, reports began to surface about farms that were rumored to be holding hundreds, if not thousands, of human guinea pigs, men, women, and even children, who were allegedly subjected to all manner of unethical tests and experiments. The sheer scale and scope of these activities seemed almost too bizarre to be true. But as our investigation progressed, we began to piece together a chilling narrative that stretched back decades. At the heart of this mystery was the enigmatic figure of Dr. Albert Klidman, a dermatologist who had made his name in the world of medical research and who would become synonymous with the Georgia guinea pig farms. In the early 1950s, at the height of America's paranoia about the Soviet threat, Dr. Simter and Trestigman, and scope of these audible, Klidman was contracted by the U.S. military to conduct a series of secret experiments designed to test the effects of various chemical and biological agents on human subjects. The location for these tests was the infamous Holmesburg prison in Philadelphia, where thousands of inmates, mostly poor African-American men, were enrolled in what became known as the Klidman human experiments. These men were exposed to a range of toxic substances, including Agent Orange and mustard gas, in exchange for financial compensation. But it was Dr. Klidman's association with Georgia that would prove to be his most enduring legacy. In 1962, he established the Clinical Research Center at the University of Pennsylvania, which quickly became a hub for pharmaceutical companies looking to test their latest drugs and treatments. And it was here that Dr. Klidman would allegedly oversee some of the most controversial human experiments in American history. According to numerous reports, prisoners from Georgia State Prison were transported to the Clinical Research Center, where they were housed in squalid conditions and subjected to a barrage of medical tests and procedures. These men, many of whom were illiterate and had little understanding of the risks involved, were reportedly paid as little as $1 per day for their participation in these studies. Over time, rumors began to swirl about the true nature of these experiments. Some former prisoners claimed that they had been injected with mysterious substances, while others spoke of being exposed to radiation and other forms of harmful energy. And amidst all the speculation, one question remained unanswered: what exactly was happening at those Georgia guinea pig farms? As our investigation continued, we began to uncover evidence that suggested these farms were, in fact, little more than fronts for a vast network of secret human experimentation. We discovered that several high-profile pharmaceutical companies had been implicated in the scandal, including Dow Chemical and Pfizer, both of which have since faced numerous lawsuits relating to their involvement in unethical medical testing. But perhaps the most shocking revelation of all came when we learned that the U.S. government itself was deeply embroiled in this sordid affair. Documents released under the Freedom of Information Act revealed that the CIA, the Department of Defense, and other federal agencies had been actively involved in funding and overseeing many of these experiments, often with little or no regard for the safety or well-being of the human subjects involved. And so, as we stand at the edge of this dark and twisted rabbit hole, we are left to ponder the true cost of our relentless pursuit of scientific progress. How many lives have been sacrificed in the name of national security? How many secrets are still being kept from us, hidden away in the shadows of America's Cold War past? These questions, and countless others, remain unanswered, leaving us to wonder just how deep this mystery goes. And as we continue to dig for the truth, one thing remains clear: the story of the Georgia guinea pig farms is a chilling reminder that sometimes the most shocking discoveries are those hidden in plain sight. The story of the Georgia guinea pig farms is a labyrinthine tale that takes us back to the closing years of World War II, when America found itself in possession of a formidable scientific arsenal, thanks to the likes of Albert Einstein and Robert Oppenheimer. This period also marked the rise of a clandestine agency known as the Office of Scientific Intelligence, which was tasked with identifying foreign scientists who could potentially defect to the United States. In 1948, President Truman approved Project Paperclip, an initiative that saw over 700 German scientists, engineers, and technicians brought into the U.S., many of whom